NSF commends TotalEnergies for its decision in selecting NSF to certify the majority of its food-grade lubricants to ISO 21469. Safety of machinery, lubricants with incidental product contact, hygiene requirements. ISO 21469 is the one globally recognized standard for food-grade lubricants. It offers the highest level of food safety for lubricant manufacturers. Food, beverage, cosmetic, and pharmaceutical manufacturers around the world select NSF ISO 21469 certified products because they have been independently reviewed and certified by NSF, while also demonstrating that they comply with global food safety standards. Products certified to NSF ISO 21469 undergo product traceability and formulation compliance reviews, independent product testing, and rigorous on-site facility audits.